Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we will begin with the new lesson of class 5 and that is your third lesson, factors and multiples. So this is completely new lesson for you people, and in today's class we are going to begin with this factors of the numbers. See here, to find the factors of the number you need to know the tables. If you need to know tables compulsorily. So what are these factors? See here, let us take one example. So take here 6. I will take here 6 and let us check this number is there in which table. So take here 6. 6 is there in 1 6 are 6 and 6 1s are 6. Again you take here 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. See here, 1 6 are 6, 6 1s are 6 and 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. And arrange these numbers in ascending order 1, 2, 3 and 6. So let us take this number and divide with 6. So take here 6, 1 6 are 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Again you take here 6 and divide with 2. 2 3s are 6 and 6 minus 6 is 0. Again you take here 6 and divide with 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Again you take here 6 and divide with 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. See here, what you got here remainder? We got remainder as a 0. Yes, a number which divides the given number exactly without leaving the remainder. That numbers we are calling factors of the given number. Why I wrote here 1, 2, 3, 6 as the factors of 6? Because when I divided this number with 6, I got here remainder as a 0. Therefore, these numbers are called the factors of 6. Okay. If you are getting this confusion, then just keep in your mind. First of all, you have to see the number and check whether the number is there in which table. For example, the 6 is there, no? That is there, see here, 1 6 are 6, 6 1s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So, if you are getting this confusion, then you have to follow that method. The given number is there in which table, that you need to check. Okay, so then what are the factors? Factors are the numbers which divide the given number exactly without leaving the remainder. So here I took the number as 6 and the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Why? Because when I divided that number with these numbers, I got remainder as a 0. I hope you are getting my point. Next, you take one more example and I will take it as a 8. I will take it as a 8 and tell me the 8 is there in 1 1s are table and 8 1s are table. 1 8s are 8, 8 1s are 8. Again it is there in 2 4s are 2 1s are table, 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. See here. So these are the factors of 8. Take these numbers and divide with 8. You will get remainder as 0. So let us take one more example. I will take here 100. Yes, I will take here 100. Then tell me 100 is there in which one's the table? Yes, 1 into 100. 100 ones are 100. 1 into 100 and 100 ones are 100. Next it is there in 2 ones are table, means 250s are. Yes, 250s are 100 and 52s are 100. Again it is there in 25 ones are table. Yes, 25 4s are 100. 25 4s are 100. 4 25s are 100. Other than it is there in 20 ones are table. 25s are 100 and 5 20s are 100. So other than this, the 100 is not there in any other table. So it is there in 100s and 100 ones are, 250s are, 52s are, 25 4s are, 4 25s are, and here 25s are and 5 20s are. So let us write this in ascending order. 1, 2, 4, 5. Again it is there in 10 ones are table. 10 tens are 100. Yes, 10 tens are 100. So write here 1, 2, 5, and next I will write here 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, next 20, next 25, 50, next again it is there in 100 ones are table. So here I found here the factors for 6, 8 and 100. So see here the factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So by observing this, we will learn the properties of factors. The properties of factor. So see here, in this, what do you come to know? 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number. And one more factor is the factors of a number are less than or equal to the number. See here, 1, 2, 3, they all are less than 6 or exactly equal to 6. See here, next here 1, 2, 4, they are less than 8 and here 8. Yes, next here 100 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, they all are up to 50, they all are less than and 100. And one more thing, 1 and the number itself is the factor of every number. I hope you are getting my point. 1 is the factor of every number and every number is the factor of itself. 1 is the factor of every number and every number is the factor of itself. Next one is factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. Every number except 1 has the least 2 factors and factors of a number are finite. Factors of a number are finite. Means see here the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6 up to here over. Other than this there is no any other the factor of 6. See here 8 is there. 1, 2, 4, 8 only are the factors of 8. Other than that there is no factors are there. Means the factors are finite in number. Once again I will tell you the properties of factors. 1 is the factor of every number and the number itself is the factor of itself. Next here the factors are infinite in number. The factors of are there, no, they are less than or equal to the number. So I hope you understood what are these factors. Factor means a number which the number divides the given number exactly without leaving the remainder. So they are the factors of the number and the properties of factors also you learn. So let us solve some examples from your My Practice Time 1, page number 111. Write all the factors of the following. See here dear students, for that you need to know tables compulsorily. If you don't know tables then you can't solve this example. So please keep learning tables. See here, then let us solve your My Practice Time 1 some of the examples. So here first one is there. So the first question is write all the factors of the following. For example here 36 is there. 36 I will take here 10. Next I will take here 15. Next I will take here 144. Okay, so let us check 36 is there in which one's the table. So it is there in 136 and 36 ones. Next it is there in 2 ones and 2 eights, means it is there in 18 ones table. Next it is there in 12 threes 36. 12 threes 36, 3 12s 2 18s 18 2s. Next other than this it is there in 6 ones table. 6 6 36. Okay, so the factors of 36 are 1 2 3 6. Next here 12 18 and 36. So these are the factors of 36. Here dear students, you need to know tables compulsorily. then only you are going to solve these examples. I hope you know at least 2 to 20 tables. Next here 10 is there. So tell me 10 is there. See here, if the numbers are smallest, then you can find easily. When it comes to big digits, you need to know tables. Okay. So here 10 is there. So 10 is there in 1 tens are 10, 1s are. Next 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. So let us arrange them in ascending order. 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of 10. Next here 15 is there. So let us check the 15 whether it is there in which table. So 15 is there in 1 15s and 15 1s. Next here 3 5s and 5 3s. So write them in ascending order. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. Next here 144 is there. Yes, here it is there in 144 and 144 144, 144 144. Again it is there in 12 144. Again it is there in yes, it is there in let us check 144 is there in which table. Yes. So here the 144 is there in, see here 144 is 12 12s, 69s, 24 6s, 72 2s. Let us arrange them in ascending order. 1, 2, next 6, 9, 12, next here 12 is over, next 16, 24, 72, next 144. See here dear students, while solving you take very easy, means small numbers which are familiar to you. Next you take the very big digits. So let us, I will give some homework, do as a homework and solve my practice time 1 first main question also. So here take the find the factors of 10. Next here 25, next 12, next 15, next here 24, next here 36. I will take now next here. So very easy examples are there. Factors means you need to check here whether the given number is there in which table. Okay. So here 7th one, 8th one, 9th one, 10th one. So here you take 45, next 50, next 81, next I will give here 24. See 24 here there, then I will give here 25. See here very small numbers are there, digits are there. Check whether the numbers are there in which table. So here you need to write the factors of the given number and also solve my practice time 1 page number 111. First main write all the factors of the following number. While solving, first solve this example, next you solve that examples. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.